this video we are going to answer the question, what is WordPress? If you have been looking into building your own website, then no doubt you've heard about WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source blogging platform as well as a content management system written in PHP and MySQL. When WordPress was first released in 2003, it was just a simple and straightforward blogging platform. Over the years, WordPress has evolved into a full-fledged content management system, or CMS for short, powering blogs, business websites, portfolios, e-commerce websites, magazines, just to name a few. Nowadays, WordPress powers more than 60 million websites, and it's the most popular blogging platform on the web. So if you're wanting to build a web presence, whether it's a blog, an online store, or a website for your business, WordPress is a very solid choice. The true power of WordPress comes from its extensibility. There are plenty of templates and plugins you can use to customize your website to exactly how you want it. Let's have a look at some websites powered by WordPress. Time is an American weekly news website and it's styled like an online magazine. InStyle is a fashion news website also set up in a magazine style. Sony Music's official website is powered by WordPress as well. In this case, it's built more like a traditional page-based website. And if you're a basketball fan, you'll surely know the Mavericks. Their website is also powered by WordPress. As you can see, these websites all look very different, but they are all powered by WordPress. This shows you how customizable and how powerful WordPress truly is. So to sum up, WordPress is a powerful web publishing platform that puts you in control. You can virtually build anything, an online store, a portfolio, business websites, the possibilities are endless.